Best deals.
1. Wok. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning without the need for coatings that can chip over time. Whether searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or preparing pancakes and eggs, the pan is perfectly sized for most stovetop cooking tasks. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dosa Tawa. Crafted for crisp, golden dosas, uttapams, rotis and more. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Jug. High quality, double-walled stainless steel body for maximum temperature retention and long-lasting use. Thermal insulation, keeps coffee, tea, or water hot for hours and cold beverages chilled equally as long. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mini gas stove. Provides even heat distribution, ensuring your meals are cooked perfectly. This portable gas stove is a reliable companion for any outdoor excursion, offering convenience. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Corner cabinet. Made from durable and waterproof materials to withstand humid conditions. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Electric kettle. Made with food-grade silicone and features a stainless steel 304 inner bowl, ensuring the safety and cleanliness of your hot beverages. With a capacity of 600 milliliters, this kettle is compact and foldable, making it perfect for travel and easy storage. The wide open lid allows for easy cleaning, and the detachable cord adds convenience. The fast heating feature and boil dry protection ensure safety and efficiency in boiling water, designed to be used in various locations. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Appam pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron, this paniyaram pan offers a safe and healthy cooking experience, completely free from synthetic chemicals, coatings, or toxins. Elevate the taste of your dishes with the rich, authentic flavor that only cast iron can provide. Effortlessly cook a variety of delicious and crispy treats like plain paniyaram, sweet up, masala up, vegetable paniyaram. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Casserole pot. Stainless steel on the outside and inside, with an aluminum core, ensuring even heat distribution for consistent cooking and enhanced durability for long-lasting performance. Experience smooth, hassle-free cooking with cookware designed for optimal heat distribution and easy food release. From prep to plating, every step feels effortless, guaranteed. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Socks organizer. There is a zipper diagonally across the bottom, just need zip to use it. Zipper can help keep its square shape and allows you to fold when not in use, saving a lot of space. Organizer is made of non-woven fabric material, surrounded by 4 PCS 2.0 mm thick cardboard. Dividers are sewn together and each slot shares the same bottom. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Yogurt maker. Automatic temperature control maintains precise 42 to 45 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 hours regardless of room temperature, season, or weather. Whether it's December's chill, your air-conditioned bedroom, or monsoon dampness, you get the same thick, probiotic-rich dahi every time. Finally, year-round consistency without temperature anxiety. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Dog food bowl. Is an earth-friendly sustainable pet bowl that is extremely lightweight and travel-friendly and made of supreme stainless steel which is pet-friendly. Microwave and dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cosmetic organizer. Features open spaces for the most convenient storage. It fits various needs, such as cosmetic display cases, makeup organizers, vanity organizers and desk organizers. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cashew crusher. Easily slice almonds, cashews and more with this compact dry fruit cutter. A must-have addition for all kitchen setups. Chop your favorite nuts with precision using this dry fruit chopper. Works as an efficient dry fruit slicer for quick, mess-free results every time. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Lunch box. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free stainless steel, this heart-shaped lunchbox ensures safe and hygienic food storage, making it an ideal choice for daily use. Designed for durability, the sturdy stainless steel construction resists rust, corrosion, and wear, ensuring it remains in top condition for years. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Toilet paper holder. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Perfect size that fits even in congested space. Additional provision has been provided to keep your mobile phone on it. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Travel bottles. This travel bottle set stands out with its integrated storage case, designed to accommodate the entire set of 4 bottles, 2 spray and 2 lotion bottles. Each bottle has a volume of 50 milliliters, making it perfect for short trips. The case's thoughtful design, equipped with a lid, simplifies packing, offering a compact and neat way to organize your toiletries, ensuring they are easily accessible and secure. The assurance of a mess-free traveling experience relieves travelers of the common worry about leaks staining clothes or damaging other items in luggage. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Electric chopper. Craft your culinary masterpieces effortlessly with this multifunctional electric chopper. From garlic and onions to peppers and carrots, enjoy a healthier dining experience and create your own flavorful seasonings. It can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours, and you can use the device up to 30 times after a full charge. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Steel teapot. Unbreakable build helps you to use this teapot without worrying about breaking it. Premium grade stainless steel construction ensures this teapot won't break easily like your glass or porcelain pots. A removable tea infuser helps you to brew your tea easily. Just drop the tea leaves in the infuser basket and let it brew. The ample 1.2-liter capacity allows you to make 4 to 5 cups of tea in one go. Custom designed pointy spout shape helps you to pour your tea very easily, and your tea will end up exactly where you want to pour it. Moreover, you will enjoy your tea mess-free and spill-free. A cool touch handle enables you to use your teapot safely. The handle stays cool even with hot tea in the pot and makes it easier to grip. Moreover, the top lid stays secure when you pour your tea. Attractive design allows you to showcase this teapot to your friends and family proudly. They will love the classic retro look and brushed stainless steel finishing of this teapot. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Natural stone. Made from premium quality natural stone for long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 19th link.